Hello friends. I recently bought a double decker kitchen rack, and I really struggled how to fix that, so I thought it might be interesting to keep a YouTube video because I was able to figure it out, so it might be helpful for other people. So first of all, I have already unpacked the stops from a rack. Okay, so first thing first, let's begin with this. First of all, you want to use this thing. You make sure that there is a black side, black washer, and the other side is open. So make the black washer downside and this open side up, and then you want to use this U-shaped one and just bring it over here and try to fix it. All right, here you go. And then you can like fix it, like push it down both sides, and you can like do like this and make sure that it's all fixed out here. This is perfectly fine. Likewise, you can do the other one. So same way. All right, so this is also tighten it, make it tight. So these are fixed. Set up two devices. After this, you want to make sure, because while I was fixing, I need to untie this. So I want to guide you through it. So here are two holes. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3 holes on right side, and here also 1, 2, 3 holes on the right side. So after making sure that the holes are aligned, you can keep them like this. Now what I do is I bring these rods two at a time, and you can check that one of these goes inside the other. So try to fix that like this and just tighten them. Pick one rod, do likewise. Here you go. All right, after you have completed this part, now your job is to fix. Let's do this. Just keep this aside and work on just one piece. All right, okay, what you can do next is like screw the knots underneath this stand like this. 1, 2, likewise on the other side. 3, and 4. All right, after you fix this, now pick up a rod. Both sides are exactly the same type, so you can take either of the side. Now what you do is take a knot and put it from downside. It comes out, and then keep the washer. Make sure that washer has two sides. One is a smooth side, one is uneven side. So make uneven side down and put it inside like this, so that the uneven side fixes, holds this rod. Then you can lift this one, bring this one, and then try to tighten it. So let's just make it hold for a while, and then we will make it tight later on. So exactly like that, you can fix rest of all. Take out a knot, and then the uneven side down. I like to do that. Okay, then after doing this, let's hold this like this, and then at least like try to fix one of this first. So what you do is wait a minute. So make sure that there are 3 rods, 1, 2, 3. So you should have 3 holes on this side. So 1, 2, 3. So let's take a knot and a washer as well. So let the knot go inside, and then washer, as I taught you already, do the same way. Washer goes here, and try to like fix the first one, and it will help you do other ones easily. Okay, so here we go. Tighten a little bit, tighten a little bit, tighten a little bit, tighten a little bit. Okay, that's good. Do likewise for others. All right. All right. After you fix this, now perfectly looks fine. Now bring this thing, like the thing where you keep your like racks and all. Keep one over here, and the other on the left side. Oh, wait a minute, this is not fixing over. They are not equal in shape. So, all right. Oh, I got it. It's like anything like must fix it. Let's see. All right. Then you go this one over here, and final piece over here. Well, perfect. The last part, where would these three pieces go? These three pieces can go like as you wish, but what I have identified is okay, here is like this kind of thing, this kind of hook, so make sure that this is there. I found that this, keeping this over here and this piece over here and this little piece over here made more sense to me, so I just fixed it.